for Shanti Priya. Shanti Priya, your interview is on which date?
It's on 23rd, sir.
In which place?
Trivandrum, sir.
Good. What is the postgraduate degree you have studied?
I'm an MBA graduate in finance and marketing, sir.
Same. Acha. I think they are calling all the people together. MBA Finance.
Uh-huh.
Good. Which year did you complete MBA Finance?
2023, sir.
Okay. Was there not any campus recruitment in your college?
Yes, sir, there was the campus. I had reached up to the interview stage, sir.
Which company? I mean, in Federal Bank only?
Federal Bank itself, sir.
Oh. So, which questions you could not answer properly last time?
Actually, it was my first experience for in a job interview and had never attended any other job interviews. So I do had lacked the experience of in appearing in an interview, and I was able to answer the most of the questions. And it was a friendly interview, and they were just asking about my around my personal interest, like which film star do you like, the agriculture minister of country, such kind of questions were there. So.
Oh, good. Tell us about your family?
My family consists of my father, mother, and my grandmother. And now we have a small business. It's an Ayurvedic clinic. And currently, my mother is running that business.
Oh, good. Now, you are MBA Finance.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us how you will fit into banking as an officer?
So, during after my MBA graduation, I had worked in a reputed market research firm for around 6 months. From there, I had gained various skills such as leadership, quality, team management, how to approach the customers, client management. Along with my degree in MBA in finance and marketing, I do had certain kind of knowledge in presentation, taking seminars, and to take a leadership position. So in this banking role, which leadership and team management is also important, I believe that I'm a person for that, and I believe that I am a person for that. Along with that, customer centric approach is also one of the main thing that what a banker needs, how to convince the customers to deal with the customers. So and I'm sure that I am a person that can do it well, sir.
Which was your favorite subject during post graduation?
It's marketing, sir.
What are the qualities required for a marketing person, successful person?
So the first thing that the person should understand about the market itself, the current trends, the ongoing, the competition which are in the market, how our my product is working in the market. He should have the person should have a complete idea before before starting a project or something like that. And next is how a proper building a proper relationship with the customers, to inquire about them and to deliver the product what they needs. And like also the person should have a convincing skill to make the customer to buy our products. And along with that, the person should handle the pressure. Maybe there will be a target to achieve in each month, so the person should have the ability to quickly timely manage to achieve this target with proper time management and pressure handling. So
What are the business ethics a banker should have?
the business ethics that he should not commit any fraudulent activities because every bank has certain guidelines that the an employee of a bank should follow. So they should not do any ethical sorry, they should not do any fraudulent activities. It's one of the banker ethics that a banker should possess. Another one, I believe that we should not manipulate the customers by saying like don't offer anything which is not in which the bank doesn't offer. Some the people who have tendency to for achieving the target, they say some unnecessary things to get the customer. So I believe that a banker should keep up with the words that they are saying about our bank product, because and at the end, it all affects the bank's credibility. So.
Yeah. And I think whether you covered the point that we should maintain secrecy. We are not supposed to talk about one customer to another customer, tell them about the details of others. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is one important thing. Good. Yeah. Um, you are MBA Finance. Please, MBA Finance, today they have asked some questions. Let me ask them. Mm, tell me about balance sheet analysis, how it is helpful for bankers.
So the balance sheet particularly concerns the assets and liability along with the shareholders' equities of a bank. So it's a one of the important document for the banks to understand the current current asset they are holding in case of cash in hand, cash in inventory, or the certain kind of assets they are providing, along with the liabilities, especially the loans the bank had. Sorry, especially the deposits. So it's deposits are the liabilities to the bank. So they should also will have the complete analysis of regarding the loans that they had, sorry, the deposit they had given to the customers. Along with that, the loans had they had offered, the interest, the profit they had received.
Sorry,
They will have a figure about from the
sorry,
balance
this
sheet.
is not the answer I expected. Balance sheet analysis means how to analyze a balance sheet of a customer by a bank. You are talking about a balance
Okay.
sheet of a bank by a bank.
Okay. Okay, sir.
You have to analyze now
Uh,
the balance
okay,
sheet
sir.
of a customer who is approaching you for credit facilities.
Okay, sir. The first
Tell
thing
me.
I will can I continue, sir?
Yeah.
So the first thing I will analyze the is whether he is having a loan which is he had taken from our bank. Is there any pending loan that he had to do? The next thing I will check his civil his credit score, whether he is maintaining a good score or not. Along with that, I will check his whether he will be able to repay the loan which we are giving to him by checking his employment details regarding maybe I can check his salary slip, whether I will be able to show that the person will make the loan repayment. So such kinds of things will I will be doing, sir.
See, you are mixing housing loan facility, and I am asking about, say, the balance sheet analysis. When this question is asked, normally, as an MBA student, you must be able to tell me, I will study the current ratio, I will study the quick ratio of the company, then also debt equity ratio, debt service coverage ratio. Like that, you should mention the names of few ratios and how they are computed, how it will be helpful for a banker to decide whether to give lending or not. Whatever you were speaking are words that are normally spoken by engineers or others, not MBA. Do you get my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to talk as MBA student, you must use proper terminologies that reveal you are an MBA student.
Okay, sir.
So that's where you are missing. Please tell me what is debt service coverage ratio when it is calculated by bankers.
I'm not sure about it, sir.
Why have you not prepared about this? I think I have given you uh, I have given you a material like say bank promotion. In that there are 16 pages material. 16 pages material also um, about balance sheet analysis. Have I?
So I had
Yeah.
written certain ratios, but I was not sure about this.
When will you be sure about this?
I will today. Itself I will make sure about
Mm, Because today also I saw in one video, one question, questions asked by a candidate, they have asked only these questions. What is the
Okay, sir.
advantage of ratio analysis, plus or minus of that, like that? That's what they are asking. So you must be in a position to answer them properly. Tell me the functions of RBI.
So RBI is the central bank of our country. The main functions of the RBI is they control the money supply in our country. Along with that, our RBI have this control of the inflation rate in our country, and the RBI gives the various license to the banks to operate the functions in our country, and they are also doing the functions of printing the currency notes in our country. So,
Hmm. Can you name the president of Russia or prime minister of Russia?
the president is Vladimir Putin, sir.
Who is the president of USA?
Sorry, sir.
Who is the president of USA?
It's Mr. Joe Biden, sir.
Very good. Next, can you tell me about the recent election uh, recently conducted or to be conducted?
The recent election had conducted in the Jammu, Kashmir, and Haryana, and along that, the upcoming election is to happen in Jharkhand, and in Kerala itself, there is a by-election is happening in the Palakkad, sir.
But you are forgetting Maharashtra.
Oh, sorry, sir. The Maharashtra was also there.
Okay. Who are name three previous presidents of India, not present one.
Oh, okay, sir. First one is Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Second one is Miss Pratibha Patel. Third one is Mr. K.R. Narayanan, sir.
Good. You told these things correctly. Hmm. How RBI is controlling inflation?
RBI is controlling the inflation by raising these repo rates. Mainly, they are focusing on raising the repo rate to reduce the inflation rise in our country. Because when the inflation happens, when there is more money circulating in our country, which leads to the low value to our currency. So, in order to mitigate the risk, the RBI increased the repo rate in the bank. So, the bank in alternate they increase their interest charge. So there will be less money in the people's hands. That's the way that RBI is controlling the inflation, sir.
When Reserve Bank raises repo rate, banks will raise the interest rate. So the borrowing by the customers will also come down, and hence the money in supply will come down.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Please, you have to read a lot. You have to prepare a lot.
Okay, sir.
Please prepare for your own subject, prepare for banking, prepare for current affairs.